Does life insurance pay out immediately? Unless the policy is still in its period of contestability, 2 years, except in Missouri, which is only 1 year, and there is a question about the circumstances of death, most insurance companies will pay out within a week or so of receiving the completed claim form along a valid death certificate. If the policy is outside the period of contestability, the death certificate you must provide need not show the cause of death. If it's not, the insurance company will likely want one that does. Life insurance policies, not AD&D policies, really only have one exclusion, and that's suicide within the period of contestability. After that, they'll pay even if it was suicide. Now there are some other things the insurance companies can be looking for, again, within the contestability period, that might delay the payout somewhat, and that's a misstatement of fact on the initial application. Example of errors include putting down an incorrect date of birth, gender, or smoker status. In such cases, the insurance company can't void the policy, but it will adjust the death benefit to reflect the premium amount collected with the amount of death benefit that it would have purchased if the application were submitted with the correct information. Yes, Life Insurance Corporation pays immediately. Immediately is a relative term. For a life insurance policy to pay out, you will need a death certificate. Some life insurance carriers will, however, advance some money to you, funeral home, to cover the funeral costs. Still, some form of proof will be needed. Depending upon your state, death certificates can take weeks to obtain. Yes, usually within 15 to 30 days after the final documents including the death certificate is received by the benefits department of the insurance company.